What kind of man flies to Spain just to return a guitar?
Iniwan mo.
Let's be honest, it's not about the guitar.
Ako rin ba? Sinadya mo rin bang iwan ako?
It's about who left, who stayed, and who's brave enough to admit they never stopped loving. So bakit nga ba iniwan ni Via yung gitara? Ano ba yung nire-represent ng gitara? Their shared memories. Yung version ni Via nung kasama niya si Arkin. Sometimes we leave things behind not because they're not important, but because they matter too much. At baka kapag nakikita ni Via yung gitara, naaalala niya lang si Arkin. Eh gusto niya na ngang mag-move on, 'di ba? Kaya siguro sabi niya, I can take you with me. I wanna move on. Pwede ring she wanted to cut ties completely. At ito, pwede ring she was testing him. What if leaving the guitar was a silent question to Arkin? Will you come after me? Pupuntahan mo ba ako? And he did, Via. Nagpunta siya doon para sa'yo. So, sa side naman ni Arkin, bakit siya pumunta ng Spain? Kasi may concert siya? Excuse lang yan. So, tingin ko, ang number one dyan is closure. Gusto niya uling makita si Via. At yung pagsauli ng gitara is a valid excuse to do that. Because saying, I want to see you is harder than saying, I want to return something to you. Pangalawa, he never moved on. Kaya nga niya tinanong kung iniwan rin ba siya tulad ng gitara. Grabe naman kasi yung pag-goodbye ni Via. She made sure na hindi siya makakalimutan ni Arkin. Kaya ayun, si Arkin tulali, hindi makapag-move on. Pangatlo, gusto niya pa ring mag-risk. Gusto niya pa ring malaman kung meron pang pag-asa silang dalawa. So ang tanong, bakit hindi sumagot si Via? So silence can mean many things. Una, she still cares. Pangalawa, she doesn't trust herself to say the truth. Pangatlo, she's protecting him. Kasi baka iniisip niya, pag naging sila ulit, yung mga fans, 'di ba, magalit ulit. Pang-apat, she's protecting herself. Kasi nasaktan siya sa mga nangyari. Kasi kung talagang wala na, I think outright sasabihin ni Via na, I left you too. Now here's what I think. Hindi pumunta si Arkin sa Spain para lang sa closure. He made it easy for Via. Si Arkin na ang nagbaba ng pride para hindi na mahirapan si Via. He crossed the distance. Parang sinasabi niya na if you still care, you don't have to chase me. Hindi mo kailangang magpaliwanag. Hindi mo kailangang humingi ng tawad. Cause I'm already here. So, binuksan na ni Arkin yung pinto. So, na kay Via na kung papasok siya ulit dito. Kaso, hinayaan lang ni Via na umalis si Arkin. Pero based sa mga naganap sa episode 17, mukhang hindi matitinag ng ganong-ganon si Arkin.